Today, we're going to learn about heavy things and light things. First, shall we practice writing numbers starting from number 1? 1, 2, 3,
I is for ice, J is for jump, K is for kite, L is for lion, N
4,
is for moon, N is for nose, O is for octopus, P is for pig, A to Z, let's
5,
learn them all. One by one, let's have a ball.
6,
Q is for queen,
7,
R is for rainbow, S is for sun, T is for tiger, U is for umbrella, V is for van,
8,
W is for wolf, X is for box, A to Z, let's learn them all.
9,
One by one, let's have a ball. Y is for
10.
yellow, Z
Great
is for
job!
learn
I am holding an apple and a strawberry.
the
Which one is light? That's right! The strawberry is light. Heavy, light. Great job! Let's try one more time. There is a teddy bear and a book. Which one is heavy? That's right! The book is heavy. Heavy, light. Well done! Which one is heavy? The strawberry or the apple? That's right! The apple is heavy. Put the heavy apple on the bottom and the light strawberry on the top. Heavy, light. Then, who is heavy? The hippo or the cat? That's right! The hippo is heavy. Put the heavy hippo on the bottom and put the light cat on the top. Heavy, light. Great job! Let's find the heavy things and color them. We have an airplane, an elephant, a balloon, a leaf, an apple, and a bus. Which ones are heavy? That's right, the airplane is heavy. Let's color it with a sky blue crayon.
M is for mountain, tall and wide. N is for night with stars as guide. O is for octopus, waving hello. P is for pirate, ready to go. We are the ABC Explorers, ready for the grand adventure. Hunting letters side by side, from A to Z, let's take the ride.
Very good!
Q is for question,
And the elephant is heavy too. Let's color it with a light green crayon.
T is for telescope, let's find a place. We are the ABC Explorers, ready for the grand adventure. Hunting letters side by side, from A to Z, let's take the ride. U is for UFO, beaming light. V is for volcano, glowing bright. W is wind, pushing by fast. X marks the spot.
Great job! Lastly, the bus is heavy. Let's color it yellow.
Hunting letters side by side, from A to Z, let's take the ride. A is for Yeti, snowy and cool. Z is for Zoom, we finished school. We found each letter on the way. Now we're alphabet heroes today. Blur. A is for apple, red and sweet. B is for ball, bounce to the beat. C is for cat with a funny purr. D is for dog with a happy
Very good! The airplane, elephant, and bus are heavy. The leaf, apple, and balloon are Great job! Let's find the heavy one and circle it.
How?
There is an ant and a lion. Which one is heavy? That's right! The answer is the lion. Then which one is heavy? The airplane or the bicycle? That's right! The airplane is heavy. You did an amazing job. Shall we color the numbers with orange and green crayons? One apple. Two. Two apples. Which one is heavier? One apple or two apples? That's right! 2 apples are heavier than 1 apple. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks. Which one is heavy? 1 block? 1, 2, 3, 4, or 4 blocks? The answer is 4 blocks. Light, heavy. Great job!